कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
The State Council of Science, Technology and Environment Meghalaya haringkat ke jinga Trelang baka Shillong Science Center baka Science Department janga Shillong College kalarake ke National Science Day ke baarsngi lor kapang Indigenous Technologies for Viksit Bharat State Convention Center Shillong. Ya kini ke jingra ke belastang ka pratik urampang araja arpusau lasakhilang do menteri ke tanat puli puthi ke sarkar jilla urakam e sangma ublalong kumukongsan u principal secretary but developmental commissioner usampat kumar kumusumbut kongsan u joint secretary ke planning department ugunan ka db ubelong ru member secretary jangka Scste Meghalaya but kiwe Hakani ke sengi kongsan ula plat patba yaka Knight's Gambit, a new era of chess education yaka Meghalaya Star 30, guiding aspirations na kabintagi Khynnah Skul kiba pinkre penyakhon yaka NEET JEE exam yaka promoting understanding and learning in science education but yaka Tech Tutor Meghalaya, exploring science and mathematics in virtual classroom. Scste kala samru daki Khusnam shaki Khynnah Skul ki bala yo he mark saka subject science technology and mathematics haka examine secondary and higher secondary bala pinlong daki ambos Khusnam araja arpulai
July secured 7% marks in science, technology and mathematics. Joyitri Priya Bhattacharjee also secured 7% marks in science, technology and mathematics. Pilabet Punjab 100 marks in mathematics. Pragya Upadhyay Skemwhite 100 marks in science and technology. Sakani Nikhara Next we have Rahul Das from RK Mission.
Most of the students and the teachers are here today. By listening, by seeing the initiative has been initiated by the government, by the Scste, and by our teachers, by the stakeholders, I believe something going to carry to you that will change your life. Friends, many are aware what is National Science Day is all about. Why the river? Why the ocean? The blue color it is. The world doesn't know, and the world has to accept that the oceans are blue because there is a reflection of light from the blue sky. But the question is, if the sky are covered with a cloud, What's the color of the ocean and the river? This is what the great scientist of Indian origin, Sir C.V. Raman, has to produce, has to disclose to the world. His concentration, his ideas, and equations has led to the discovery about the scattering and the diffraction of light, which is called the Raman effect. It looks all a brother and sister of Raman. This is something that did not invent it, but this is something has been discovered that is already exists. There are two things in science. We are here to learn and to gain knowledge, and tomorrow apply what we learn and to invent new things for the world. And there's another things. Learn the ideas and use your brains to discover what is already exists. Most of the science formula, science theory is all about, in the beginnings, it's all about a discovery. Be the Raman effect, be the Newton laws of motion, Albert Einstein, law of gravitation, the forces, and different theories, and the formula of science, it's all about discovery. Therefore today, my dear children, my dear teachers, we are learning here in our life. We are equipped with knowledge to discover what is in front of us. The Bible says, God created the world beautifully. And the Bible also says, human understanding is so limited. It's so limited. And the universe, the world is beyond our imagination. We don't know. After millions and thousands of years of our existence, our scientists, the fourth country on the earth, to send our satellite, Chandrayaan-3, to the moon. It takes long, a million years.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center